into this filtration tank. After the water will get filtered, it will go in the well. See, the water has been get filtered. Now it is moving in the well. The importance of this rainwater harvesting project is it reduces the soil erosion, improves the quality and the quantity of underground water. Third, promotes both water and energy for conservation. It reduces the water bill. Less and easy